Garth Lontier from Wacky Funduro. We've got some really nice loops here for you today. 3 different loops, green loop about 20 k's, and then that comes back to the pits, and then we do a 50k loop, which also then comes back to the pits. And if you brave enough, then you can tackle the Red Mountain loop, which is part of normally the CSMX Enduros that we have here. So we've also got some massive prizes that we're giving away today. We're giving away a Honda from Friedenberg Hero, and then some helmets from Leert and from Dirt Rider, a really nice power drill from Worth, and then Maxxis tires. So those are the big prizes, and then a lot of other little prizes. But obviously we can't do this without the buy-in from the farmers. We're using 16 different farms, and 16 different farms, there are about 10 different farmers. So without those guys, we can't do anything with this Funduro. So a lot of it gets put back into the community and into the, I think it's Lashua Agri Union. And so yeah, Petri Prince, who's the main farmer from Bennie Lapa, he's obviously drives it with myself, who does the course and things like that. So yeah, we're looking forward to today. About 300 entries, pre-entries, and we hope we get another 50 or so to go ahead with 350 or so. So yeah, we're excited.
Dit was nogal 'n lekker dag geweest. Vir al die geel roete, moet sê mense het hulle self oortref daarso om my teen te sit. Nou ons het 'n lekker stukkie grond gekoop ook daar toe ek oor 'n wal kom, toe was so lekker fris stomp wat vir my wag, toe koop ek 'n stukkie grond daar. Maar is lekker, dis die moeite werd geweest.
Hi, my name is Ryan Gulliver and I love riding. I had the amazingest day ever of my life. This track was amazing and gold was also amazing. And I would definitely ride this track, and it's the best track I've ever ridden, so I loved it and I'm gonna have some fun now.
Val hij af.
Hi, my naam is Giselle. Ek is vandag hier by Wacky Funduro. Ons hoërskool Hopefield nooi julle almal uit volgende naweek na die Funduro SPH Funduro wat deur hoërskool Hopefield aangebied word. Dit word op die plaas Enkelvlei naby Hopefield aangebied en hoop ons sien julle almal daar. Dit is 'n bietjie anders, is bietjie meer sanderig, minder klipperig, maar dis ook groot vetpret.
lekker geweest, maar dat was een beetje rof.
Wat se roete het julle gery?
Rooi route.
Rooi roete. Ja. Hektiek maar lekker.
Ja.
Yay!
Ek is Philip Hartman, ek het die bike gewen by die Funduro van Bennie se Lapa en baie dankie aan Honda. Awesome.
Papa Willie my nou, Papa Willie my gou. Lekker.